Welcome guys, this is Tech Msafi with another video. So in today's video we'll gonna go through the process of how we can check if you are listed on CRB or not. So let's get started immediately. So CRB in full means Credit Reference Bureau. So as the name suggests, it's like a reference of your credit information, like your loan history. So here in Kenya we have CRB companies like Metropol, TransUnion, CreditInfo. Basically these three companies, they work together. They share information about credit information. So let's say you didn't pay a certain amount of loan and Metropol has your information, so still they will share that information to TransUnion and CreditInfo. So in short, we are saying there is no way you can hide from these CRB companies. So still you will be listed on CRB and blacklisted if you don't pay your loan. So guys, how long does it take for one to be listed on CRB? Normally it depends. Let's say for banks it's 90 days. It takes 90 days for you to be listed on CRB, and then for mobile lenders it's 30 days. So what we are saying here is that for mobile lenders it's like M-shwari, KCB M-pesa, branch and so forth. So guys, in CRB we have two values. We have the negative one and we have the positive. So the positive one means that your loan history, you keep on paying. There is no loan you have missed on paying, so it means that uko sawa, you are on the safer side. On the other hand, we have the negative one. The negative one means that hujalipa loan manzi, you didn't pay your loan on time, so there is higher chances for you that you have been blacklisted on CRB. So guys, let me just take you through the procedure and for you to confirm for yourselves if you are listed or not. So the procedure is very simple. You just need to dial *433# and don't worry, I will just show you the full procedure right away. The first one is that tutaanza na registration. We'll start with the registration. Just dial *433# as you see on the on my screen, *433#. You can just watch my screen as you do. Then listing status, it is number 1. Just watch me doing and do the same. So it will ask you to pay Kenyan shillings 100. So proceed with and pay using M-pesa. Okay, now just complete the process. Pay 100 Kenyan shillings using your M-pesa. So after registration, which is payment of 100 Kenyan shillings, the next is just for you to check if you are listed or not. Okay, now just dial *433# and then press 1 again. Press 1, listing status. Now from here I need you to be very patient. So as you can see, it will ask you that a request is being processed. So guys, I need you to be very patient. It may take some time. Yes, that's what I know. It will take some time, so I need you to be very patient, and they will send your details and you will know whether you are blacklisted or you are on the safe side. So just call and they will send you that message. So let's proceed. Basically guys, that's the end of the video. It's just a very simple process. We just need to dial *433# and then choose the right options. As you know that I'll be making more videos concerning CreditInfo and TransUnion. As you know that one we used was Metropol. So guys, I need to stay tuned. Guys, just click on the subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, and guys, let's meet in the next video.